Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P30 Pro, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So at the first you have to go for the settings. When you are here we have to go for the home screen and the wallpaper. Right now we have to choose wallpaper. Next we can choose wallpaper from the gallery, from recommended wallpapers, or from our wallpapers. You can also go here to get more wallpapers, but you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let's choose recommended. And as you can see here, we got the couple of the wallpapers. I'm going to apply, for example, this one. Here we can also change position of that wallpaper. So let's get it like that. Click on this marker to confirm. Right now we can apply on both, so on the lock screen and the home screen. But if you want to only get for the lock screen, just choose the lock screen. And as you can see right now, when you go back and lock screen and then unlock, we will get our wallpaper. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.